Hola amigos, today I'm going to show you how to replace the glass, the digitizer on Samsung Tab A 8.0. Samsung Tab A 8.0. Serial number is right here. It's T357T SM-T357T T-Mobile one. So the first thing we're gonna do, we need to take the back cover off. What we're gonna use, the ICSMO, and we're gonna use this badger guitar pick. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make small gap somewhere here with the ICSMO like this. And once we have small gap there, we insert this one here and we keep just sliding it around. And now we have the back cover. Remove it. So the digitizer has one cable here, as you see. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna disconnect this cable. Use your nails, and we're gonna disconnect the battery. There is small plastic cover in the battery connector here. Always when you are working in a device, you need to disconnect the battery, just for safety, to not short anything on the device. Alright, so I disconnect the digitizer and the battery. Now I'm just gonna use the heat gun, and I will heat this one, and I will use the ICSMO and lift up this. I will need this glove, and I will need the heat gun. And for this, so now I'm gonna just keep heating it up like 3 minutes, heating only the edges. Keep heating the edges like 3 minutes. Once I heat it enough, I will focus on just this corner, because here from where I'm gonna start, and after that, if I need to heat other sides more, I will. So I'm just gonna use this one, insert it here, and keep lifting it up. Make sure when you put this inside here, make sure don't put it toward the screen. Always push, make sure it's going up. So I think I will need to add more heat. So more heat. While I'm heating, I'm like trying to push to pull it up. With a little bit more heat. More heat. Okay, for these little pieces here, I'm just gonna take them one by one. Okay.
Да?
Alright, I remove all the top parts. Okay, what I'm gonna do now, I will just put the adhesive and put this digitizer back and clean this mess here. So we'll just keep cleaning this frame. After that, I will put new glue on it. I mean new adhesive. So on the top side, I'm gonna put this one. And another strip here in the bottom. Make sure there are no pieces of glass left on the frame. I will need another strip here. Okay, I put the adhesive here, so now I'm just gonna make sure that the adhesive sticks very well. I'm gonna use this plastic and make sure I pass it all around this adhesive. I open the home button side, and now I need to uncover the camera. Oh no, it's already good. So all what I need, clean the screen and put the new digitizer on it. Make sure you remove all the fingerprints from the LCD, make sure it's clean. And now just gonna take the plastic off, which is covering the LCD here. Now I will remove the plastic which is covering the adhesive. So I will start by inserting the digitizer cable. Before I glue it back, I make sure everything is aligned.
¿No tienes 3 pesos? No, que no tengo cambio.
Alright,
Tengo cambio, tengo da 20.
and voila. So now I'm just gonna connect the digitizer cable. It's connected. and connect the battery, and after that I'll test it. I need to just plug it in charge. Okay, it's charging.
Ni parte ni 15.
It's 0%.
Ali.
So I think I'm done. So what I'm gonna do, I just put the back cover and I will snap it like this. Voila. So because the battery is totally empty, it's 0%. I will charge it and I will make full test to make sure everything is working fine, and I think we're done for today. So guys, thank you for watching, and please like my videos and leave your comments in the bottom, and subscribe for more videos.